Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best mops. Have you noticed that having high-quality cleaning supplies like an excellent mop can make a long day of cleaning much more bearable? If yes, then what are you waiting for? Go and get yourself the mop that you truly deserve. Here are the 7 best ones to choose from. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the mops that will be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best mop on our list is the O-Cedar Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. Looking to save time and money? Check out the O-Cedar Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. This item successfully removes dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria, offering a deep cleaning solution for all your domestic needs. It doesn't matter whether you have a hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, or vinyl floor, the gentle material has got all kinds of surfaces covered. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the O-Cedar Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: deep cleaning microfiber. This item features a soft microfiber that effortlessly eliminates the coffee you spilled and the hardened footprints on your floor without the need for harsh chemicals. Machine washable. Don't exhaust yourself to whiten the mop head again. The mop head's microfiber is machine washable, so just leave it in the washer with your detergent of choice. Hands-free wringing. With a built-in wringer, this unique mop bucket design enables hands-free wringing, while the splash guard prevents water from splashing out when you're squeezing the fiber or moving the bucket from room to room. Reaches the corners. The EasyWring system can reach and clean behind furniture, alongside baseboards, between tiles, and deep into corners, thanks to its revolutionary triangle mop head and 360 degrees rotational capability. You don't even need to charge, simply press the pedal to activate the spin function. 9 months of cleaning. Along with the mop, you're also getting 3 extra refills that last up to 3 months each, helping you save money on replacement costs. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it does not have wheels for added mobility, but since it only weighs around a pound, it's still pretty easy to carry. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who have a variety of floorboards or different floor types for every room. The second best mop on our list is the Bissell 1940A Power Fresh Steam Mop. Some spills and messes need more than just a wiping down, they also need deodorizing. Luckily, the Bissell 1940A Power Fresh Steam Mop is coming to the rescue with its flip-down easy scrubber, which helps break up dirt on floors and in-grout quickly and easily while filling the room with a new scent. Instead of whipping up strong and harsh ingredients, the steam will sanitize even your hard-sealed floor. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bissell 1940A Power Fresh Steam Mop a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: accessories included. Out of the box, you're getting 2 Spring Breeze fragrance discs and a carpet glider, a microfiber soft pad, and a microfiber scrubby pad, giving you the complete accessories that will help refresh the room. Scent waters. While mopping, it leaves a fresh aroma behind with the Free Spring Breeze 1394, Eucalyptus Mint 1392, and Citrus 1393 demineralized scent waters that can have your laundry room smelling like a flower garden. Easy to use. It comes with a 23-foot power cord and a swivel steering that is ready to use in only 30 seconds, letting you get started while cleaning immediately. Smart Set Digital Steam Control. Whether you want to clean a coffee spill on the carpet of your room or you're trying to get rid of the mold buildup in your kitchen tiles, the high, medium, or low steam settings will give you the intensity you need. Use anywhere. This item can go even beyond vinyl floors. You can also use it for hardwood, ceramic, linoleum, granite, and marble floors. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is not recommended for use on fabrics such as couches or sofas. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who loves having their room smell like nature. The third mop on our list is the iRobot Braava Jet 240 Superior Robot Mop. You might have never thought that you could go hands-free while cleaning, but you can do just that with the iRobot Braava Jet 240 Superior Robot Mop. This unit is powered by a lithium-ion battery, and you can adjust it to a certain cleaning setting and let it run on its own. It is designed not only to mop but also to sweep all hardwood floor surfaces. It is designed not only to mop but also to sweep all hard floor surfaces, including stones, tiles, and hardwood. As it moves, it also looks for possible obstacles and gets rid of them so that cleaning doesn't take too long. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the iRobot Braava Jet 240 Superior Robot Mop a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Simple operation. Based on the type of pad, Braava Jet automatically chooses the best cleaning technique from wet mopping, damp sweeping, or dry sweeping. Simply fasten the desired pad to the robot, then select Clean. Gentle scrub. This team uses a vibrating cleaning head which scrapes stains and grime with care so it won't leave scratches on your floor. Eject trash button. At the touch of a button, you can eject and throw away the cleaning pads without ever coming into contact with dirt or grime. Smart motion. Using the built-in virtual wall mode, you can create an invisible barrier to keep Braava Jet in spaces with outdoors, like kitchens and hallways, making sure that it won't go where it's not supposed to. Gets around and under. Say goodbye to forgotten trash. Braava Jet can get into tight spaces like corners and below cabinets in bathrooms and kitchens thanks to its square form and small size. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the vibrating cleaning head can only be used in wet mopping and damp sweeping modes. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to someone who's looking for a high-tech cleaning assistant that you won't have to monitor too much. The 4th best mop on our list is the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner. You might not enjoy the effort that comes with mopping floors, but with the help of the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner, you can swiftly and effortlessly clean the entire house. Aside from the floor, it also works well as a glass, mirror, and window cleaner with steam mop heads, a handheld garment steamer, and fabric or carpet cleaners. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Child and pet safe. Don't worry about your kids or your fur babies sniffing out harsh chemicals since this mop can leave your tiles and hardwood floors looking as good as new even without harsh detergents. Convenient accessories. For added convenience, this item also includes a steamer jet, window squeegee, handheld steamer, small brush tool, scrape tool, angled nozzle, double brush tool, and big brush tool that works on vinyl, tiles, ceramic, and porcelain materials. Quick prep time. Once you turn this on, you can begin steaming after 30 seconds. Aside from that, it can be detached and used as a wand steamer for your walls and windows. Long steaming time. Unlike other options on the market, this item boasts a 380 milliliter reservoir that enables you to release potent steam for almost 25 minutes at the highest setting. Fantastic for wide steaming projects. Budget friendly. One of its best bonuses is that it only uses tap water, helping you avoid pricey detergent costs. You can also use 3 different modes of settings to save energy and electricity. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the water tank is quite small and runs out fairly quickly, but it's still easy to fill. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who do not have a cleaning routine yet, or anyone who finds it difficult to stick with a regular cleaning schedule. The 5th best mop on our list is the Turbo Floor Cleaning System. The Turbo Microfiber Mop ticks all the boxes when it comes to design. It's lightweight, sturdy, and glides smoothly for easy cleaning on hard floors. It's also pretty adaptable with its protective edges that can help prevent you from scratching walls and furniture, and a detachable head mount that allows easy storage. On top of that, it also features wet and dry pads that can help with many different tasks. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Turbo Floor Cleaning System a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Swivel head. Take a whirl with this hardwood mop. Featuring a 360-degree rotating head, it cleans up spills in all directions, even in tight spaces and under furniture. Stretchable handle. For convenient cleaning of windows, walls, underneath the couch, and many other nooks and crannies, this mop includes a strong metal telescopic handle that stretches from 30 to 60 inches. Strong microfiber pads. This item features reinforced absorbent pads with micro-gripping technology that traps dirt and pet hair, as well as ultra-absorbent wicking fibers that are perfect for cleaning up spilled milk or a wet footprint trail. Multiple capabilities. Aside from its own microfiber pads, it also is compatible with O-Cedar, Bissell, Bona, Swiffer, Wet Jet, Shark, and other mop brands, so don't worry about replacement fiber selling out. Versatile use. The microfiber floor mops are excellent for cleaning all types of floors, including wood, tile, laminate, and vinyl, whether used as a wet or a dry mop. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is The handle may be quite thin, but this can help when you're using it for ceilings or windows. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who like cleaning different parts of the house in one go. The sixth mop on our list is the MR.SIGA Professional Microfiber Mop. Make the tedious task of cleaning your floors simple and effortless with the MR.SIGA Professional Microfiber Mop. It comes with 3 reusable microfiber cloths and 1 dirt removal scrubber and works on all types of flooring, including hardwood, tile, marble, laminate, and vinyl. Each box also contains a single dirt removal scrubber that you can use to scrape away stubborn dirt from floors as well as remove hair and debris from microfiber cloths. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MR.SIGA Professional Microfiber Mop a 4 badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Microfiber head. Your floor will be spotless in a matter of seconds with the microfiber that effectively catches fine dust and hair while swiftly absorbing water and moisture. Double-sided action. This item features a double-sided microfiber cloth that is machine washable and reusable, making it healthy for the environment. While the silky beige side is ideal for waxing, the blue side is ideal for wet or dry mopping. Adjustable handle. The adjustable stainless steel handle can be extended to up to 60 inches, providing a comfortable pickup and grip for anyone, so even tall guests can help clean the floor without stooping low. Secure pole. You won't need to fear that the pole will slide down while mopping thanks to the heavy-duty stainless steel handle's double lock system, which firmly holds the extended handle in place. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the mop is quite large, which can be a challenge to use in smaller spaces, but it will definitely make cleaning up wide areas quicker. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone who might have trouble exerting power while mopping because of its pole's length. The 7th mop on our list is the ASOGO Spray Mop. Hard floors can be arduous to clean, but the ASOGO Spray Mop is designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind, leaving you with no excuse. This spray mop differs from other mop sprayers in that it doesn't release as much fluid, which prevents surfaces from becoming overly wet and creating a slipping hazard. It even boasts a useful scraper for solid stain removal from floors and removing hair, debris, and dander you've caught while mopping. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ASOGO Spray Mop a 4 badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. No leaks. With spray mops, you can clean without carrying around a pail of water, since the handle comes with a bottle of cleaning solution. Just pull the trigger and the cleaning solution will be directed to the floor. 3 extra microfiber pads. These pads are constructed from microfiber, making them durable and simple to clean. They are soft and absorbent, leaving very little chance to damage your flooring. Swivel head. This spray mop is geared for refreshing up kitchens and hallways with its big head that can turn 360 degrees. It efficiently cleans large areas and is adaptable enough to reach under appliances or furniture. Easy to use. Fill the 400 milliliter tank on this mop, fasten it to the handle, then push the trigger to enjoy bucket-free cleaning. The 2 reusable heads are also easy to swap out with this same technique. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have instructions on how to assemble it, so you might have to do some extra research. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people living in small dorms and apartments. And there you have it, folks, our best mops, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mop roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.